Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. In today's video, we're going to be making tofu scramble. I'm going to be using this to put in a burrito, but it is also good just by itself as a breakfast food. It's great with avocado toast or potatoes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head to the kitchen and get started. So you'll need half each of a red, yellow, and green bell pepper. Well, you won't need them, but they're optional and I recommend them. And I'd usually use an onion, but I'm out of onion. I'd probably use about a quarter of an onion or half. And 1 block of tofu. This is 14 ounces. Some oil for cooking the vegetables. And some soy milk. This is optional, but it adds a nice creamy texture to the tofu. And then any spices you want. I'm gonna use onion powder, cumin, chili powder, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. So once you've heated up your pan, you can go ahead and add some oil. And now just throw in your vegetables. And you're going to want to cook those for a couple minutes. Once the vegetables have started cooking a little bit, you can go ahead and add your tofu. You can either break it up before you put it in, or you can put it in and break it up as it's cooking. I like to break mine up as it's cooking like this. If you don't want to break it up like this in the pan, I would recommend just kind of crumbling it into the pan with your hands. Might be a little bit easier actually. Once you've got your tofu crumbled up, you can go ahead and add your spice mixture, and I'll include all of the amounts that I used in the description, but you can really use whatever spices you want. And just mix that in. And the turmeric is what will make this turn to a more yellow color. I'm going to be adding this tofu scramble into a burrito, so that's why I used some of the chili powder and cumin. And you just want to let this continue to cook until most of the water has cooked off of the tofu. So now that most of the water has cooked out of this tofu, we're going to go ahead and add our soy milk. So let's give that a good shake. And just add a little bit like that. And stir that around. And then you'll just let that cook for another minute or two. Alright, and now your tofu scramble is done. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you decide to make this recipe, let me know in the comments section. I'd really appreciate it if you would like this video, and if you want to see more recipe videos like this and other topics, you can check out my channel and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. See you guys next time.